Skhim, yang kejoki Barings, mga
delivered by
haduk ke ketang tengah kerpat kan bagi jenglong macam kadlong sisa ke bagi ngatur ngateng asyam ndi bisa asnong lagi isa apa jauh lagi mo ba apa jauh dum sentih ke apa udah basnong jauh itu ndai nomor bahasa asnong mengenai orang kumtahan di beriu besok apa punya kenduk ngapit ngapi kumdo sok ha tang bangi rang basnong bilong rang basnong tinong wanit hayeng tenteng aduk bagi jong temput syu perhatian tang rang basnong emeli tiba do meobatkan ni ke lesel da imla ban kol imla pasim imla ban jubab yo ibu de jenglong ba teu tu emeli ni dia kumtai mang sutu dia lebih ngelong tang urang basnong namla tenteng khi bakara khabio ban sim ko ko di knom sum biong te ngasi skol bak pada ngol ban su imo kata tang ni umur kan tam ini tengah si bepa teng jadi jing tuna jong priuru kita tenrei ni ban thon rei ke ini ba ipersang mata kalau bisa ke terhu yang ini orang wasno perkembang sutenat kalau kini ke wi keren mata ya si pilu punya sutenat la aibor ini orang wasno ila aibor ini orang wasno kabor bukan kabor what I completion certificate if we compromise the quality of work iong ni kata dengan adan bor ngambil syak abeli ngambil syak kontraktor ladau siap udisitin kedua wilayah simok bisa kata that is I cannot compromise. That is, quality of work should not be compromised and completion certificate should not be given to those contractors. But if the quality of work is good, yes, it will continue. Te publish pun abeli I kemen sim kersan ini kirang Pak Senong. Ngaras ngomu bangayo ekabor benta bat mangiri kirang Pak Senong niyo ekabor by MLE Jong. Don't give completion certificate to any contractor who taken up the job. If the quality of work is not good, we should not compromise with that. Thank you very much. Publish pun ya terkejutkan kejopi kalau I mesti pelan.
Kejik syakri, ringkat mana aku memilih. Apapun dibantah, hamtam hagaroi kekil. Ai kublai kerbang, nak bantah kaman siam kejik terelang, anak kebilan ti, mengenang yo sisu kejik terelang. We will try our level best to carry forward the service towards our beloved human being. Heads from the, I would love to say that, I would love to mention a leader's head of the Nongrum, the resident who are also here with us. Maybe Gandhi also is here, if not mistaken. I welcome you all. Please comfort yourself. As family members, we are here together. I do hope this is the very first time which happened in our constituency. I always try and I always reminding all of us, even before election, during election, I'm not interested, in fact, just because of the sake of politics. What I'm interested in is policy. But where we have seen in our beloved state, adaptation of conspiracy has been the act which create a big distance among us as a beloved resident of constituency and as a state as a whole. I have made a promise that whether I won the election or lose the election, I'll try always myself to give my service to the people. Thank God Almighty for giving me this privilege to allow me to extend my service, be it in developmental activities, be it in issues which we have seen that our beloved state of Meghalaya, we should never allow any incident which create the unlawfulness in our beloved state, which we believe that our state is a peaceful state, and we have seen what that happened in our neighboring state, Assam, as well the nation, Bangladesh. We have seen lots of things to be done to protect, to prevent, and to safeguard our being as the indigenous, not only indigenous Khasi, but I'm talking also to indigenous non-Khasis. For many years long, together, we are trying to uplift our beloved state. All alone, we cannot do anything except together. This spirit of togetherness, spirit of giving the service, equal service, should be born among us. And I reveal those times that I wanted myself to be the bridge of these two communities. We cannot separate among us. We don't want to see and we don't want to hear that our beloved friends, non-Khasi, who are the genuine or indigenous non-Khasi in our state, that they will leave slowly and slowly, left this place. Who will replace them? If those people who came yesterday, if they are the one who are going to replace, then what will be the assurance that we could give for the future generation? I would dare to say that we must have fear. We should not fail to address such issue. And today, our program is very special because I do hope that this is the very first time happening in our beloved state. Yes, of course, everyone knows that I'm with the VVP Voice of the People Party, the party which believes the transparency, and I have already adopted that policy since before I joined myself with this very party. I will not speak a lot because I believe and I do hope that all of us believe not in words but in action. Nangit, baka ni bawa order kung i-polite mo ta. Ano ba yung pikir ang basyon? Bayi ito ng kabayi Chairman in support if the respective locality ho today kabentak so ako memli dengan ko lembal jumpi kani ka bang pau bang don kita ka bang extend our hands towards the betterment bang don equal responsible equal and collective effort hari dulu dibentak nakabentak jumpa kebetulan kebahagiaan. I could play Rupang, jadi President, Party Secretary, Jong, Secretary, Sing Sama, sports clubs, even from the other side, representing on this very occasion, women from the organization. We welcome you all. Kulishibon, nakabanta, kanigapor, but naku apan pa kanigapor, kidon kiparo, kijonga, kaba ngatrai ki paro, kidon sangut, bangan rubut. How do you pour the differences happening but a party VP? Kita nak ni kepada si nak kalian cuma request nama yang si sasat dan iba Maria lalu masa ai kisah kalau nasi cikat kuat ayat nomor ni nasi dalam kuslai pa nangis kamu baru I to believe that everyone not only here but outside my beloved supporter who never asked me from me for their own individual profit or benefit. That's why in my place I never got a chance to keep the chair in front and always try to keep the responsibility to accomplish my duties accordingly for my beloved citizen, my beloved electorate of my constituency. Masuk datang, masuk kiram. Nak kebentar baru kita ini, bersih nak kiram yang. Therefore, I with confident, always even in the house, on the floor of the house, I always says these words that I'm here. People elected me, people who are being my beloved electorate, sending me to represent the people, to represent the constituency, not because of the sake of the chair or for my share, but to work for the betterment, for this present and for the future. Nasukuman, bang aku akan keren, menurut mesin, hantam, iting banyu, ikaw ada. Hangasimat, ngayon sekarang berkira bahasan bayi, tuan borong, kita supervise lang yang ini work to be taken in respective localities. Please supervise them along. Don't leave them alone. So that we should assure that no compromise with the work quality. Kata apa pekerja besar, ke engineer, nak municipal kita hang ni, kita subah make sure ban conduct ya ke survey ke Jong accordingly. Benar-benar compromise. Harap ni maka work quality. Harap ni keren yang secure. Harap ni keren yang transparansi. Yang akan sedang mula po. Lembah jompi cuma serisi di work ada. Bagaimana akan expect that everyone will be receiving the work order? It can be expected that everyone will be receiving the work order. Lalu dalam sanspamut. The members, the supporter, 100, 20, 35 or 50. Kita perlu order, but kita kena carry out the work accordingly. Kita tidak compromise, no compromisation. Banyak kali yang kena bahas nama mereka berpajur. Makin mudai banyak completion certificate barang ini yang job satisfactory. You should make sure that the work should be satisfactory. Should be satisfied, otherwise from your end should not issue the completion certificate. Persiang label di board dengan persiang dan touch the pro constituency equally. Some may class that Adelbert is anti-tribal, is communal person. Because of love and trust, I could be in this position, not with other alternative, like others. Proudly, they confess that I won my election by 10 crores, by 20 crores, but myself by love and trust. That's why I'm not going to compromise. Be it if I happen to be in the party or any of the position, I will not compromise. What I have already made my promises to my beloved people. Jadi, ini apa boleh terhilang? Karena penpau isi sejarah bahasno, karena kuahi pan don kata kejalan berkerpang. Nah selalu berjalan berkerpang Jong secondary, send sama the sports club from both side. European world will be having meeting together with me as a local Malay to discuss how should I extend my hand towards these organization. buat penpau ni buat kemudian pimpinan orang buat kerja buktian buat penpau ya hikam masuk sungai ya kipai bak konstitusi. In fact, I should not say sorry because I have done no wrong. I did no wrong, in fact, as a representative. But some suspicious thought has entered into our mind that by Adelbert maybe he became a changed person. Maybe he had changed his principle. But I'm there to make once again my confession that before I change myself, before I change my principle, I will quit everything. Even if I have to quit the politics, I'll have to. Dalam pakalan dan dia, ini yang Nongrum di Kebangan. Nanti ya kiki bro. I always believe that the only true and trusted friend, especially in the arena of politics, is myself and my principle. Aku apa? Ini opor. Begini juga ada kita masa isu, mentah ada kepajuan bagi kita seshinti, kita beneficiaries, contractor, kita pendepok, laga jawab kamram, kedai bagai ceklik. Bakal ni rumah macam betul tadi itu ki bayo berisi kau order. Kinselek aku berkata, nak bentar organisation, kumah penpau, secretary, sama, bagi sports club. Balik week dia. Kau masuk macam pun lagi cerita dalam lengkap lembah dalam bahasa identify yaki educated youth, unemployed youth. We should not allow to see them that they are going astray or to walk away from the family or from society. Macam bah taman release yang ni kiwak ada taman show release yang ni ada untuk menai. It doesn't mean that it is enough. I feel that it is not enough. That's why I'm introducing, and today itself, right now, I'm going to launch my website, which will be easy for you all to make access in regards with any work carried out by me as your MLA in the constituency as well in the assembly. So please take this opportunity, and I'm going to launch this website. Once again, I take this opportunity to express with all my thankful heart, especially for all of you who are present here today. I left out some of important, respectable representative who had represent here today, a representative from the Skhim, and all principal from all around my constituency. I'm so sorry that I will not be able to name or to mention each and every institution. So thank you once again for your presence, and it will not take any more longer. Teams and all work or activities, and even any grievances you have or any complaint against me, you can put in this website, which I'm going to launch now. Okay.
bless all of us.
Berkat